Hi, we're Josh and Elisa. We are weekend warrior RVers that love to travel with our two kids, Trayton and Aston, and our large pack of dogs. Meet Fennec, Everest, Pyro, Raza, Fraggle, Mogul, and our newest addition, Tango. Come along with us while we explore the galaxy in Vulcan, check out another Alberta getaway at Little Bow Campground, and taste the rainbow in the cute little town called Nanton.
You ready to go? Yep. Let's do this. What's going on, everybody? We are in the RV right now and currently headed to Little Bow Provincial Park. We're going to be doing another camping weekend adventure.
The kids stayed at their dad's last night, so we are on the way to go pick them up, and then we're headed out. So we got a few things that we want to do. We're going to do an adventure, and hopefully we get to go to Vulcan, which is on the way. We want to go see some of the sites in Vulcan.
All right, we're going to take you along with us. See you there.
What is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got? 'Cause
What's going on, everybody? We've arrived here at Vulcan. It's a little town just outside of, I guess, kind of Lethbridge. It's not too far from Lethbridge, and it was on the way to where we were going. But look at that, look how cool that is. So the kids are just getting out of the motorhome right now. We're gonna take some photos, take some shots, and just have the kids look around and, and enjoy. All right, see you guys. So the mothership has made it.
I love this place.
What's going on, everybody? We've made it to our campground. This is Little Bow Provincial Park. We actually got the last site available, which is great, and it's actually turned out to be quite an awesome site. No problems getting in here. It's nice and easy, and actually it's kind of like down in the middle of a valley, which is actually really, really neat. So we're surrounded by these like foothills, which is pretty awesome.
Some of the pros and cons about this place is, well, one of the cons is our site is not level at all.
No.
It took forever to try to get the motorhome in here, but one of the pros is the end site that we got is huge. So we're right at the end of one of the lots, and it gave us like almost an extra 2 spaces this way of just grass, where they've been playing, you know, beanbag toss and stuff like that off of the campsite a little bit in a little grassy area. So that's awesome. Another thing that you can't see from this view is that on the other side of the camper is the washrooms. So they have porta potties here, men and female, just on the other side of our motorhome, but we suggest that you don't use them. I have not been in it. Josh did, and he said that he will never use it again. So it's just a hole in the ground to do your business. If you have a self-contained unit, I suggest that you use your own. But that's another thing. I haven't done enough research yet, but I'll let you guys know. I don't know where the closest dumping station is to here. So we'll let you guys know once I figure it out. I just haven't looked.
All right, we're gonna go have some more fun, and we'll check back with you guys. See ya. Over here grilling it up. A storm actually started to come in. You probably can't see it. You can see the dark clouds. Yeah, so it's been raining a little bit, super windy, but it's not too bad. We got to do some stuff out on the trail, just actually up there. But now we're just cooking some food. Yeah, and we should be eating soon.
Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
So we are going for our morning bike ride. We don't have to leave here until 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go down for a morning bike ride down by the river. Last night was awesome. It started pouring. So we just spent the night inside watching, what did you guys Moana. It was totally an inside day. We didn't actually get to have a fire or anything like that because it was pouring rain, but it was kind of nice. We ended up going to bed fairly late for an inside night though. But okay, so now we're up. We're gonna go for a morning bike. We wanna go hit down by the beach and see what it's like. So here we go.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear. But I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself.
And we are on the road again. Okay, so we have an update. There is a sandy dump at the top of the hill coming out of the RV park, and we went for a bike ride today and yesterday, and we found better washrooms where like the shower and stuff is, and there's flushable toilets and stuff there. So not so bad. It's just it wasn't close to where we were, but there are better washrooms. And then yes, like I said, there's a free sandy dump right at the top of the hill, but if you blink you'll miss it. Narrow gravel road to get down into there, but it has fresh water and stuff if you wanted to fill your water tanks. The water's just not open right now. It's May right now, actually May 2nd, right? Yeah. So the water probably will be running in like June or something. But anyway, anything anybody else wants to add? What is it?
The one problem is that there is no cell phone service.
So there is no cell phone service at the park. We kind of enjoyed it because it's like in a little canyon, like dip.
Valley,
Yeah, valley. No cell phone service, no Wi-Fi. Yeah, so that was kind of nice.
It was awesome.
But as soon as we got to the top of this hill, our phones are just blowing up. Anyway, so now we're gonna drive home. We're going a different way home. We're gonna go through Nanton and take the kids to the candy store. We'll see you there. All right, Aston, what'd you get from the store?
And also,
Look at all the stuff we got. What is that? You got a push pop. Trayton, what did you get?
these.
Okay, what kind is that purple one?
You got high chew?
He got two different types of hide cheese.
Yeah, maybe
Mango
and grape.
and grape.
I also got a push pop.
Push pop.
And I got chocolate coins.
Cool. All right, I got these freeze-dried gummy things that I wanted to try. I saw them on like Marketplace once, so I wanted to try it. I got some rainbow belts.
Yeah.
I got some mixed gummies for myself. And then I got a few Twizzle sticks. I got a root beer one for the baby boy. That's for Basti. This one's Tutti Frutti. And then this one is cappuccino. And then Josh, got...
Can I eat this now?
Yes, of course you can.
Yay.
PB&J's sandwich chocolate bar.
What the?
And Chewits, cola flavored. All right, freeze-dried mini Coke bottles. Look at how big they are. Let's give it a go. I wonder what they taste like.
You're about to find out.
Do you want to try one, Aston? Try one, Trayton.
No. No.
Yeah, so stop trying to force her to
They
try.
smell like nothing. I don't like that. All right, we're ready to go.
Yep.
Whenever you want to start up the engine there, Everest, please take us to our next destination.
I can't hold things. I don't have hands up.
Here's the keys.
Now.
It's your turn to drive. Pyro, we know you're the youngest, but you're the best driver.
Oh, yeah? Since when?
He's the most cautious.
Yes. Well, that was fun, hey? on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Nice.